India is quietly becoming big tech's favorite playground. But why are the world's biggest tech giants suddenly betting billions on India, right now? This isn't just about cheap engineers anymore. This is about power, AI, and a new tech superpower rising while everyone watches the US-China fight. Secret number 1. India has become the back-end brain of the global internet. India's IT services market is already worth around $80 billion, and it's still growing fast. From banking software in New York, to telecom systems in Europe, to cloud services everywhere, chances are, an Indian team is running part of it. Tech giants know this. That's why Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Apple, and Meta are quietly expanding massive engineering centers in Indian cities. Secret number 2. India is now a long-term strategic base, not just an outsourcing stop. Microsoft just leased more than 260,000 square feet of office space in Hyderabad. Apple signed a 10-year deal for a huge campus in Bengaluru worth over 1,000 crore rupees. Meta opened a new engineering office in Bengaluru. Together, these giants have hired over 30,000 people in India in just the last year or so. Why? Because India gives them 3 big advantages: massive talent, lower costs than the US, and a government that wants India to be a tech and AI hub. Secret number 3. AI is the new battlefield, and India is building an army. India's AI market is growing at double-digit rates every year. The government has launched the India AI mission and is pushing semiconductors, cloud, and GPU infrastructure. For big tech, that means, if we build our AI future, we need India in the plan. So what does this mean for you? If you work in software, data, cloud, AI, or cybersecurity, the next decade of opportunity might not be in Silicon Valley or Shenzhen. It might be in Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Pune, and Gurugram. While the US and China compete, India is becoming the quiet winner that powers both. If you care about tech, jobs, investing, or geopolitics, you cannot ignore what's happening in India right now. Follow this channel for sharp, fact-driven breakdowns of how AI, big tech, and US-India-China power games will shape your future.